So this is Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures, and we're on another Halloween special for the month of October. We're up here near Allentown, Pennsylvania, and we're going into a horror convention, Pennsylvania Film Festival horror convention, to get some autographs and take a look around. So follow me on this adventure as we go in here and to the convention and see what's going on. So I got my autographs. A lot of different people here from different movies. Make my way out of here.
I'm well.
So I'm making my way around, having a look around, see all what they have. There's Jason. Nice outfit there, Jason. A lot of people walking around in costume. They have different things here for sale. We'll see what they have. Take a look around. Pretty cool stuff. Whole lot of different vendors. I'm just moseying around, seeing what they have.
Yeah, just to unwind. I'll try. Well, this time I'll do it like a little spot.
Different B movies.
See what happens. I got the gummies too. I'm vegan, so it's like I got
Neat little coffin shelf.
shirts are $20.
Some nice shirts. Some pretty cool action figures here. Different prices. Could spend lots of money here if you're a collector like I am. But I came basically today for the autographs.
He had originally, they had started to do something, and I'm like, what? I'm really level.
There's horror films going on constantly between here and there.
They can drive in a car, so I'm not driving. Because God really cares. God really cares if you're using a power tool. Yeah, I do.
Pretty neat posters here.
Someone Jesus over there with you next. I didn't see it. Combo. So like my dog's like sweetest dog, but like she's got nerves, and I'm like, ever seen an Amish horse?
Neat pillows. So we'll go into the other building and see what they got too. Some cool things here.
It's about 7.5 hours. Easier for me.
There was a Michael Myers. So we've seen about all there is to see. I just basically, like I said, I came for the autographs. So I got the 3 autographs I wanted, and this is just a small blog I wanted to share with you. I'm going to a couple more conventions this month to get more autographs. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It's been Uncle Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventures. Give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment, things you'd like to see. Hit the notification bell up in the right hand corner to let you know when I upload a new photo or video. And until then, go out and have your own adventures and enjoy life. Once again, this is Uncle Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventures. Till next time, goodbye.